Hi everyone, I am Leslie Conway Ring, and I'm here to give you a tour of our online course. First of all, when you log into the online course through our learning management system, Blackboard, you will be directed to our course homepage, which is the screen that we are viewing now. On this page, you will be able to see important course announcements as they populate throughout the duration of the course. It's a good idea to get into the habit of checking these course announcements daily. On the left-hand side of your screen, in the navigation menu, you will see a list of titles that direct you to specific content areas. If you click the announcements, you will see all of your course announcements. If you click the syllabus and schedule title, you will be directed to an area where you can read your syllabus and check out our course schedule. Please take the time to take that syllabus quiz at the end of this content area. Under the Contact Your Instructor content area, you will be able to see how to contact your instructor. We will be using course messages in Blackboard. Please keep in mind your instructor's policy for response time to those course messages. Under the content area of coursework, you will see all of our course modules. When you click on Module 1, for example, you will be directed to an area that lists the learning outcomes for the specific module, a module plan that goes over the assignments, how much time you need to set aside for each of those tasks, and how many points each of those assignments are worth. After that, you will see a content area where your lessons are. You will click that, learn all about the content housed in the module. Then, based on that module, you will complete any discussions, quizzes, or other tasks located in the module. You will get to this by going back to our Module 1, and under that you will see your discussion, your test, or if you would like a summary. In our coursework, there is a challenge that is located after every 3 modules. So you can see the challenge here. Your first 2 challenges will be presentations, and your last 2 challenges will be group work challenges. After each challenge, you have the opportunity to offer any insight into the course and how it's going for you. Please be honest with your feedback on ways that we can improve the course and the experience for you. In your navigation menu, you also have the ability to contact support for your technical difficulties or your Blackboard difficulties. I hope you enjoyed the course, and good luck.